to our channel Stormrider, the USS Delbert D Black, DDG-119, represents one of the most advanced surface combatants in the United States Navy, a powerful symbol of maritime strength, innovation, and dedication to naval excellence. Named after Master Chief Petty Officer of the Navy Delbert D. Black, the ship honors his legacy as the first person to hold that distinguished position, embodying leadership, integrity, and commitment to service. Commissioned in 2020, this Arleigh Burke-class destroyer is a guided missile destroyer designed to perform multiple missions, ranging from anti-air and anti-submarine warfare to ballistic missile defense, making it a truly versatile vessel in the modern naval fleet. Built by Huntington Ingalls Industries in Pascagoula, Mississippi, the Delbert D. Black carries forward the legacy of the Arleigh Burke-class, which has been the backbone of the U.S. Navy's surface fleet for decades, but with state-of-the-art systems and upgraded technologies that make it a formidable force at sea. At its core, the USS Delbert D. Black is part of the Flight 2A subclass of Arleigh Burke destroyers. It stretches approximately 509 feet in length, has a beam of 66 feet, and displaces around 9,300 tons when fully loaded. Its size and design make it both powerful and agile, with a top speed exceeding 30 knots, thanks to its 4 General Electric LM2500 gas turbine engines. These engines generate around 100,000 total shaft horsepower, allowing the ship to move swiftly across the ocean, despite its considerable weight and equipment load. The ship's range, exceeding 4,400 nautical miles at cruising speed, allows it to operate independently or as part of a carrier strike group anywhere in the world. What makes this destroyer stand out is its advanced Aegis combat system, which is essentially the brain and nervous system of the ship. This system integrates radar, weapons control, and missile systems to detect, track, and engage multiple threats simultaneously, from aircraft and cruise missiles to ballistic missiles and enemy ships. The ship's SPY-1DV radar provides long-range detection and tracking, capable of monitoring hundreds of targets in all weather conditions. When combined with the vertical launching system, VLS, that carries a mix of standard missiles, Tomahawk cruise missiles, and ASROC anti-submarine rockets, the Delbert D. Black can engage threats far beyond the horizon with pinpoint precision. This ability gives the U.S. Navy a significant tactical advantage in both defensive and offensive operations. The ship's armament is impressive and highly flexible. It carries 96 MEMCA-41 vertical launch system cells that can be loaded with a variety of missile types, depending on the mission profile. The standard missile family provides air defense against enemy aircraft and incoming missiles, while the Tomahawk land attack missiles, TLAMs, give the destroyer the capability to strike targets deep inland with surgical accuracy. The ship also features a 5-inch 62 caliber Mark 45 naval gun, capable of firing high-explosive shells at both surface and shore targets. For close-in defense, it has a Phalanx Close-In Weapon System, CIWS, a radar-guided Gatling gun that can destroy incoming missiles or small surface threats in seconds. Additionally, it carries 2 triple torpedo tubes for anti-submarine warfare, along with 2 MH-60R Seahawk helicopters that enhance its surveillance, reconnaissance, and submarine hunting capabilities. Beyond weaponry, the USS Delbert D. Black incorporates a wide array of electronic warfare and defensive systems that protect it from detection and attack. Its electronic countermeasures suite can jam or confuse enemy radar and targeting systems, while decoys and infrared countermeasures defend against incoming missiles. The ship also has advanced sonar systems for underwater detection, allowing it to locate submarines or mines long before they become a threat. This combination of offense and defense ensures that the ship remains a dominant force across all domains: air, surface, and subsurface. The design philosophy behind the Delbert D. Black balances power, stealth, and survivability. Its angular superstructure and radar-absorbent materials help reduce its radar cross-section, making it more difficult for adversaries to detect. The ship's construction includes reinforced hull sections and advanced damage control systems, ensuring it can survive in hostile environments. Even the internal layout is optimized for safety and efficiency, with automated systems to manage fires, flooding, and power distribution. These features contribute to the Navy's fight-hurt doctrine, meaning the ship can continue operating even after sustaining damage in combat. In terms of crew comfort and operational efficiency, the USS Delbert D Black reflects lessons learned from decades of naval experience. The destroyer carries a complement of about 300 officers and sailors, and living conditions have been modernized compared to earlier destroyers. The ship features improved berthing areas, galley facilities, and recreational spaces to support long deployments. The Bridge and Combat Information Center use advanced digital displays and touchscreen interfaces, allowing faster decision-making and smoother coordination during complex operations. The integration of automation also reduces workload and fatigue, enabling the crew to focus more on tactical and strategic tasks. An interesting aspect of this destroyer is how it blends proven technology with upgrades that keep it ready for future challenges. While based on the same design lineage as earlier Arleigh Burke destroyers, the Delbert D Black includes improved air and missile defense systems, enhanced computing power, and network connectivity that make it a critical part of the Navy's distributed lethality strategy, where every ship in the fleet can act as a potent and independent offensive unit. The vessel's combat systems can share data in real time with other ships, aircraft, and satellites, creating a unified battle network that improves situational awareness and coordinated responses. The ship's namesake, Delbert D. Black, served with distinction in World War II and beyond, and his leadership helped shape the modern enlisted force of the U.S. Navy. Naming this destroyer after him reflects the Navy's commitment not only to technological progress but also to honoring those who have strengthened its traditions and values. The crew proudly carries that legacy, often referring to themselves as the keel of the fleet, a nod to the ship's namesake and the backbone role that both sailors and destroyers play in naval power projection. In operational terms, the USS Delbert D. Black is capable of participating in a wide range of missions, escorting aircraft carriers, providing ballistic missile defense, engaging in anti-piracy operations, delivering precision strikes, or participating in humanitarian missions. Its flexibility makes it one of the most valuable assets in the Navy's inventory. Whether operating independently or as part of a task force, it brings unmatched versatility and capability to the maritime domain. In simple terms, the USS Delbert D. Black is like a floating fortress equipped with some of the most advanced systems ever put to sea. It can detect threats before they are visible, defend itself from multiple directions, and deliver devastating offensive power when needed. Yet beyond the steel and electronics, the ship represents teamwork, professionalism, and the enduring spirit of those who serve aboard it. For anyone interested in modern naval technology or maritime strategy, the Delbert D. Black stands as a perfect example of how engineering and human dedication come together to safeguard the seas and ensure global stability.